Very good morning, all of you. Today, we are going to revise the topics of the research methodology for the MCQ exam purpose. Try to understand what is the purpose behind it. MCQ exam is going to conduct here our college. At that time, there should not be any type of confusion in your mind. That's why I am going to clear each and every aspect of the research methodology. Okay. First chapter of the research methodology is there, and in that chapter is also definitely MCQs are asked there. Okay, various types of the MCQs may be probable to ask in the exam. Now come to the point. Under this chapter, chapter number 1, different types of the MCQs are given under the chapter. Okay, first MCQ is there. The main objective of fundamental or pure research is, try to understand, the main objective of fundamental or pure research is, four options are given here: to solve the problem of business and society, to make practical use of existing knowledge, to advance the frontier of the knowledge, and the last, all the above. What is the correct answer? You have to understand first the meaning of that statement. The main objective of fundamental or pure research is what? All these three objectives are there. What is the first? To solve the problem of business and society, to make practical use of existing knowledge, to advance the frontier of the knowledge, and all the above. These four options are given here, but as per our knowledge and as per our syllabus, definitely you will understand A, B, and C. Those are four objectives. That's why what will be the correct option? All the above. That will be the correct option. Then a second MCQ is there. Research in commerce and management is. Research in commerce and management is, first option is there, first alternative is given there, pure research. Second, historical research. Third, empirical research. And the last, applied research. Try to understand. It means that among those four alternatives also, what is the right alternative? You have to understand. Try to understand the statement: research in commerce and management is definitely applied research. Okay, that's why your right alternative may be applied research. Then motives for research. Already we have studied different types of the motives behind the research or for the research. Okay, different types of the motives we have studied. Now four options are given under this also question. What are those? Curiosity for unknown, then desire to be of service to society, desire to be of service to society. Next, refinement of techniques of research, and the last, all the above. Try to understand, all the above. It means that what is the correct answer? What is the correct alternative? Definitely A, that is also correct. That is also motive behind the research. Desire to be service to the society, that is also motive. Then refinement of technique of research, that is also motive. That's why these three are also motives. That's why what will be the correct alternative? All the above. That is the correct alternative. Then fourth question may be there, that is the ultimate objectives of any kind of research is. Ultimate objective of any kind of research is, what is the ultimate objective? To test the hypothesis first, to improve the techniques of research second, to satisfy the curiosity third, and the last, to achieve the human progress. Above three are options, those are different options, but correct option is there, to achieve the human progress. Try to understand. म्हणजे आपण इथं लक्षात घेतलं पाहिजे की काही पर्याय जे दिलेले असतात त्या पर्यायामधून राईट म्हणजे अगदी 100% करेक्ट हा पर्याय आपल्याला निवडता यायला पाहिजे. आणि म्हणून या चार पर्यायापैकी कोणता पर्याय योग्य असेल तर त्या चार पर्यायापैकी टू अचीव द ह्युमन प्रोग्रेस, दिस विल बी द करेक्ट आन्सर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड. Then another question is also given there. The research wherein trend analysis of phenomenon under investigation is done may be called. Try to understand. The research wherein trend analysis of phenomenon under investigation is done by anybody may be called. What are the options given here? Comparative research, longitudinal research, conceptual research, and qualitative research. What is the right answer? Longitudinal research, that will be the correct answer. Try to understand. Then next question is also given there. A research attempting to gain knowledge about the nature of phenomenon about which there is no prior ideas is called. There is no prior idea is called. What is it? A research attempting to gain knowledge. Try to understand. What is it? Research attempting to gain knowledge about nature of phenomenon about which there is no prior ideas is called. What type of research it is? Four alternatives are also given there. First, descriptive. Second, exploratory. Next, explanatory. And the last, action research. What will be the correct alternative? Correct alternative will be definitely exploratory research. Okay, what will be the answer of this question? Exploratory research will be the answer of this question. Then next question may be there. Data-based research, the inferences of which can be verified by repeating the experiment is called. What is the question there? Data-based research, the reference of which can be verified by repeating the experiment is called dash dash. What are the alternatives? First alternative is given action research. Second is given conceptual research. Third is given empirical research. Fourth is given longitudinal research. Correct answer will be, as per the nature of the statement, definitely empirical research. That will be the correct answer. Okay. Then next question will be there. The major limitations of social research is. What are the major limitations? Now here single limitation is asked there, but a major limitation of social research is objectivity, limited resources, unpredictable, and all the above. What will be the correct alternative? What will be the correct alternative? The correct alternative will be all the above. What will be the correct alternative? All the above. You have to understand this alternative. It is right. Okay. Then next question is there. A study of cost and price of sugarcane in Western Maharashtra. What is the title? A study of cost and price of sugarcane in Western Maharashtra will be termed as. What is it? Empirical research, library research, applied research, or fundamental research. What type of research is there? Definitely your answer will be empirical research. Try to understand. Empirical research. This will be the answer of this question. Then next question is there. A study of industrial relations in Reliance Group of Industries. A study of industrial relations in Reliance Group of Industries is A. Fundamental research, B. Descriptive research, C. Exploratory research, and D. Action research. Now what is the correct answer? Action research is the correct answer. Try to understand. What will be the correct answer? Action research will be the correct answer. In this way, under this chapter number 1 also, such type of probable questions we have discussed. Again, you can prepare another MCQs also from this chapter number 1, and you have to prepare such type of questions. You have to prepare the alternatives, proper alternatives for those questions, and you have to keep right alternative, which may be 100%, which should be right. Okay, which should be 100% right alternative also you have to include it. Okay, and such type of questions you can prepare yourself, and also you can make preparation for MCQ exam in 100% mindset. Okay, that's why I am going to request you, all of my students, prepare yourself, be ready, and be in win-win mindset. Okay, thank you very much.